loved of the pioneers. Their happy songs used to make me smile. They made such sweet music to my ears as they took me to the Old West for a while. Round a campfire near cool water, down along the Rio Grande, these happy cowboys gave our land a song. And it was always good to know wherever Roy and Dale would go, there would be harmony as their friends would ride along. You know we can't hold back the passing years, and a few of the guys are now gone. But for those sons of the pioneers, their music will live on and on. You know we can't hold back the passing years, and a few of the guys are now gone. But for those sons of the pioneers, their music will live on and on. On like the West Texas wind, their music will live on.